Dad said this is gonna be a good bike trip. This is not. It was a good bike trip.
No, we did.
I saw it better.
No! No!
A, bo kamerę zobaczył.
Because you got out and kicked me.
Welcome to episode 6 of our cycling journey to London, where I and my 3 kids are riding 600 kilometers. This is our adventure, and we're sharing it with you. We've already covered 290 kilometers, and we're only halfway through our trip. Janek didn't want to ride, so I had to motivate him. And as you know, sweets work best for this boy. I didn't have any at the time, so I had to find another way. Kazik also needed some motivation. Motivation from the right hand.
Stop! Dad, no one's going to believe you. But the film starts off well. Will you tell us about the owl? And about that bird app? You promised.
Of course, I'll show it. It's a good app. It's called Merlin ID. You open the app, press a few buttons, and you know what birds you're hearing. That's how I heard an owl last night.
Doesn't seem difficult. Thanks, big guy. I'm sure someone will find it useful. All right, let's move on with the film. What happened next?
Godzina po 9 parę minut. Wypakowanie nam idzie coraz szybciej, ale coraz więcej mamy ochoty robić głupoty, jakieś tam kupię filmy, zdjęcia. Mamy 25 km do stacji metra. Park metro to już chyba Londyn, chociaż stacja się inaczej trochę nazywa. Chłopaki pierwszy raz metrem dojechały, więc tu będzie pierwsza atrakcja, o której nie wiedzą, bo myślą, że pierwszą atrakcją będzie coś innego. Co dzisiaj aż pakaliśmy ze śmiechu. 5 dni jechaliśmy kanałem, no głównie kanałem, nie zawsze, ale najczęściej. A pierwszą atrakcją taką, o której chłopacy wiedzą, że jedziemy, to jest tak zwana Mała Wenecja, czyli po prostu kanały, czyli jakby mało nam było kanałów przez 5 dni, jedziemy zwiedzać kanały. Ale to jest po prostu najbliższy element naszej traski, która nie jest sztywno zaplanowana, będę planował na bieżąco, bo zobaczymy. Myślę, że... Aha, i sprawę dinozaurów na jutro, czyli w Londynie będziemy 2 dni, nie wiem gdzie będziemy spali. Może dobrze było znaleźć jakiś tani hotelik, żeby się wykąpać.
After 6 kilometers, we reached an underground station, or so we thought, which actually wasn't the underground. We had passed it without knowing it would be part of our route, Chorleywood, on the outskirts of London. From that moment on, we were already in London. Of all the attractions we could choose from, we of course went straight to Hyde Park, especially the playground. When I saw it for the first time, I knew it would take the whole day. But that didn't worry me. On the contrary, it made me happy.
This is a very busy place.
Finally, London. Well done, boys.
This place is really awesome. Look what I did.
No, don't do that, Kazik!
It's just a chicken. A fatty chicken. It'd be fine. If he can do it, I want it too.
Oh my god, I can't watch.
Why? Who are you?
Dad, did you hear that?
I gave you a like, and I'm a hacker.
Now. Now. 3, 2, 1, oh, 2.
He did it.
Awesome!
You're
My
amazing.
blood.
That's very high.
I know. Tell me the video.
Nie. A forget press. On nie pyta, czy może stamtąd skoczyć.
I wanted to ruin your context because I'm a mischievous hacker. But it's so good that I can't mess it up. I'll leave a like and keep watching you. You crazies, you've got a new viewer.
But Mr. Hacker,
Bench,
are you the one muting Franek?
table.
Anyway, thanks
That
for
looks
the
like a
like.
speaker.
Yes, that's me. But don't worry about me. I'll be watching, but I won't say anything. Keep going with the film.
There's a downstairs. Cool. Do you know what I like to do in sand? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Oh, this is nice. So this is fun.
Oh my god, Franek, you're such a chatterbox.
You didn't know. And this is already after the film editing, where Dad cut him out.
While the boys were playing, I, together with their mom, was looking for a cheap hotel and planning the rest of the time. Tomorrow, dinosaurs, but it's still a long way until then.
Dad, again the hacker is muting me?
Not this time. This time it's me, but I accidentally ruined the file during editing.
Too bad, because I had a great monologue there.
And you, Franek, do you believe in such accidents?
Oh, crap! Before you asked, I believed it. And you, Kazik, what do you think?
I think he might have muted you by accident.
Where did you get the Mentos? Kazik?
So there's another place, I guess.
All right, guys, why dig into the topic?
Yo, treasure.
Right, we're gonna meet them by the toilets, okay?
There are chilling spots for people.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, another sleeping place. Let's go quickly look. This is a house. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. There's a tunnel.
All right, boys, let's move on. There's no point in showing everything. After all, anyone can come to London and check it out themselves. So now, the flowing river, shall we?
Yeah.
It's more of a puddle than a river. But not yet. Now, Princess Diana's gardens.
Here we lost Janek for 20 minutes. He went off to chase ducks.
I didn't know those weird chickens could fly.
Yannick, those are ducks.
5 pounds for
Boys, you're wrong. It's not a chicken or a duck. It's a domestic goose.
That's what I thought. There are no ducks that fat.
But you said it was a fat chicken.
Somewhere around here, the app picked up an interesting bird. It's the same app we showed at the beginning of the film. I'm curious who can guess which bird is singing so beautifully. Thanks, Mr. Hacker. I saw it, but I didn't want to say anything.
Nagrywam wam zieloną papugę.
It was so beautiful there. So green.
I just don't understand why some people didn't see us when they were walking there.
Dad calls them phone zombies.
Oh yes, I remember that.
Here, this guy is feeding a rat from his hand. I don't know why.
The little parrot was beautiful and not scared at all. They were feeding her from their hand tube.
And lots of monuments and sculptures.
It was so nice there. Maybe next year we can come here again? What do you think, guys?
I would like a better bike, and I could go again.
I talked to Dad that I'd like to go to Poland. Dad says it's not impossible, but maybe next year.
Guys, a trip like this is really a big deal. We'll discuss it later. Notice how loud these cheap tires are.
Dużo rowerzystów, fajne miejsce. Ja nie wiem, czasami jak ja się powiem chłopaku, że zawsze ciekaw, ale miejsce chyba jest, jakie było.
Dad, I feel like I'm at a bike festival.
Me too.
I was also afraid I'd lose you. Next time we need to bring a CB radio.
You see lion?
London is really a beautiful place. It's worth coming here for the views and the atmosphere.
That's right. Beautiful, but busy.
There was a moment when we were waiting for the green light. On our side, 200 cyclists and the same on the other. And at one signal, everyone rides toward each other.
It was awesome.
Really? I was scared. First of all, I had a wide bike because of the panniers. Secondly, I was towing Janek, and I was worried about him.
Come on, Dad. There's nothing to worry about with him. He's indestructible.
I know. I was afraid he'd pull me, and I'd fall over.
Here it is! Finally! I've been waiting for this moment.
It really impressed me. It's awesome.
Do you remember what Janek pulled off there?
Wait, it's coming up in a moment. Are we talking about it? Mom's going to be mad.
Who cares about Mom? What's done is done.
Come on, show it. It can happen to anyone.
You make a picture of them.
Okay, it'll be in a minute. I didn't record the moment itself, but I have it right after.
Nie wiem, czy na kamerce było słychać, ale Big Ben nas przywitał.
Why did a big man do that?
For welcome to us, I think, because he's now coming. Ja na środku skrzyżowania. Pokaż się. Nie, patrz.
Really have to walk on you the most. So,
That's nothing. O, Janek. Wanna break? Zęby całe i takich nie masz. No, będzie krepka. To dobrze, pierwszy wypadek na szturku. O, to było najgorsze miejsce, nie mogę się...
Quite close. Jassio made it. Little tough guy. After a shower and dinner, we wanted to go to sleep. But tomorrow dinosaurs awaited us, so the boys had trouble falling asleep. As for me, I encourage sharing, commenting, and liking the video. The algorithm doesn't sleep, and we're waiting for your support. Greetings and see you tomorrow. Bye.